Hello and welcome to another video, and today we've got a pressure washing job and it's all this tarmac here behind me. We'll have a walk around now and I'll show you what we've got to do. So we've got all the tarmac to do here, down this drive here. All this is to be pressure washed. We've got the house here, they've had some work done on the roof, so all the windows are going to be washed. There's some patches down there by the barbecue. We're not going to pressure wash all that because its drainage isn't very good, but we've got to use some Synergy Pro on that and give it a wash off, see how that goes. All the drive's not fantastic, but it will just clean it up really nicely. And then round here, we've got a decking area here which needs cleaning off. So just give all this a wash off, just to clean. It's not very bad at all, but we'll just give all this a clean off as well, and then we'll see how all this goes. So we'll get set up. There's the cottage, really nice, beautiful place there. That's the wire forest over there. Little orchard behind it, beautiful setting. We'll give it all a clean up. Sorry about the angle of the camera here, just didn't quite get it pointed down enough. But I just wanted to show how when you're pressure washing tarmac, not to go round in straight lines. You need to either do figure of eights or circles. Make sure you cross over where you're going a lot, otherwise, especially with tarmac, you're going to leave lines. It's not like doing block paving. You need to really cross over where you're doing with those little circles. The next thing to consider when doing tarmac is washing it down. You get loads and loads of dirt caught in the pores of the tarmac in between the gravel. So the best thing to do is not use lots of pressure, but use a high flow rate. If you can, take the lance off, and if you've got a valve so you can just sort of squirt it with lots of water with lower pressure, that tends to move it much better than just using high pressure with a little bit of water. So washing down the main drive, I split into three areas. It's sloped down from either side to the middle, and then from the middle I sloped down to the hedge line, where he said I was quite happy for me to wash it away down into that edge because it just run into the field. But again, there's loads and loads of dirt stood on the top here, so it's definitely worth washing that off, keeping it flowing, keeping lots of water on it, and you'll really find it moves well then. just before I went over the last central section with the whirl away, I just washed a load of the dirt and the sludge that are collected off the top, just to move it around a bit, so help the whirl away get through a bit deeper and it wasn't all just standing on the top. So now I'm just about to use a bit of Synergy Clean Pro to do the two little patios. There's the one by a house which has had some barbecue marks, barbecue fat dropped on it and stuff like that, and then the little one round the back. So I'm going to do those. I'm only going to put it on with a watering can at about 10 to 1. 15 to 1, something like that, and then hopefully wash it off, because we haven't got a lot of drainage down there, and also I hadn't put a price in for cleaning the that patio nearest the house, so I'll just clean that off. So got my little pouring cap there, put the lid back on, and we'll go and give that a wash around with a watering can and a hose pipe. We'll see how we get on with that. So we've got some quite greasy stains. You know, the dogs have had their food as well, so we'll give that a clean off now. Really impressed with the Synergy Clean Pro from Pure Seal, how easily it moved the grease stains. I thought there'd be some residue left, but it really just shifted it straight away. So that came up really well. I've bought myself a Garten scrubbing brush, a decking brush, and a really stiff brush that has. So I gave it a quick brush over with that. That's come up well. The Synergy Pro has done the trick, and it can't even tell where that big greasy spot, it was like the fat that run out of the barbecue had dropped. Can't even see where that was, so that's come up really well. So we're going to do the other one. Once again, I gave this a scrub with the Synergy Clean Pro, and then I gave it a wash off. I turned the power right down on the pressure washer and the revs down. These are only plastic decking boards, I didn't want to damage them at all, and it was more about just giving it a clean off. They weren't really bad, so low pressure, high flow, and just wash that Synergy off, and it came up really nice. There we go, all done. Driveway's come up looking really good. Looks better when it's wet. Looks a bit patchy when it's dry, but it is actually all come up really well. Windows are done. Just got to put everything away. The house is done, and all the frames. I'll spot clean down on there. I was really impressed with how the Synergy got the fat stains off where it dripped out the barbecue. All washed down, and the patio's come up looking really nice. So as I said, beautiful property, fantastic views, and now it's all clean as well. So hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.